All right, Georgia Sports Cards here. We're doing a box here of 2016 Top Series 1. Scott, pk1919. Good luck, man. First box of this case. All right, John Jaso, 2016. 1704. I'm not going to fall for that again. Burger's best. Craig Biggio, Jock Peterson, Adrian Gonzalez, Bill Withers, first pitch. Aramis Ramirez, box number 1. Pack number 1. Pack number 2. What's up, Snorlax? We got Aaron Sanchez, Gold of 2016, 824. Longoria, Bob Clemente, Burger's best. Bill Withers, Ted Williams, and our first relic is Nelson Cruz, commemorative pin. Nelson Cruz. Not numbered on that one. Nolan Ryan, Burger's best. Adrian Gonzalez, and Dariel Alvarez. That is 39 of 99. Dariel Alvarez, 39 of 99. Rebecca Gregory, first pitch. Stan Musial. Nick Swisher. Nice pack. We got George Brett. Ichiro. Mike Zunino. Not covered on that one. Stan Musial. You got Josh Donaldson, Troy Tulowitzki. And Silver, Nolan Ryan. I remember that card, man. Silver Nolan Ryan. That is Silver is scarce. Scarce. Nolan Ryan. Kevin Kiermaier, sorry. Kiermaier, 2016. George Brett, Burgers. Peralta. George Springer. Oh, come on. Be super short print. 7123. What's 7123? That is short print. Short print variation, George Springer. Nice. George Springer's short print. Jose Canseco. Ted Williams, Bobby Dewar. Jordan Spieth. It's a nice pack with the Jordan Spieth as well. It's sticker. Ken Griffey, Burger's Best. Bryce Harper. Chris Colabello. Chris Bryant. Ichiro. And Aaron Nola for the Phillies. Autograph. Aaron Nola scouting report autograph for the Phillies. Next up, we got Eddie Murray Burgers. We got Ozzie Smith, Paul Goldschmidt, Greg Maddux, Wade Boggs, and Jock Peterson jersey. Jock Peterson jersey. Dodgers. That's that. Reggie Jackson, Burger's Best. We got Randy Johnson, Perspectives. Jonathan Papelbon. James Taylor. Jimmy Fox. And Black Stamp Bob Stanley. That is a standard. Bob Stanley. 2 packs to go. Next, we got, there we go, Satchel Paige, Burgers, Cal Ripken, Nathan Eovaldi. We got Paul Molitor, Robin Yount, Iron Singleton, and last pack. We get one more variation here. One more variation. We got Seth Smith, 2016, 1949. Dom Mattingly. Perspectives, Gregory Polanco. Greg Maddux. Michael Kadire. Miguel Cabrera, and Victor Martinez to end off that box. There you go, Scott. Appreciate it, man. That out to you.